All right. The base of a lamp is constructed by revolving a quarter circle around the y-axis from 1 to 2 as seen. Create an integral of the surface area of this curve and compute it. Right. So rearrange. Okay. Rearranging this, y squared equals 2x minus x squared. Okay, x squared minus 2x plus y squared equals 0. That's x minus y squared is x squared. No, it's not, minus 2xy. Don't really want that then. X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. X equals 1 plus or minus root 1 minus y squared. Now, we are, x is 1. So when x is 1, that's 2 minus 1 is 1. And when it's 2, that's 4 minus 4, so 0. So 0 to 1, okay? And we want to keep things positive, I'm sure. Oh, so the area would be 2 pi, 0 to 1, 1 plus root 1 minus y squared. And then square root 1 plus the derivative. Bring down the power, square it. Reduce the power by 1. And then minus 2y becomes squared 4y squared. Though they cancel. Okay. I really don't like the 1 here though. Um, 1 plus root 1 minus y squared. 1 root 1 plus y squared over 1 minus y squared. So I could change this into 1 minus y squared plus that all over 1 minus y squared. That's good because they cancel. And that's a 1 over root 1 minus y squared. So if I was to multiply that in now, that will cancel that down to just a 1. So it's 1 plus 1 over root 1 minus y squared dy. Well, at least this one I can calculate. That's 2 pi plus 2 pi 0 to 1. Oh, that's a tan inverse, I think, isn't it? No, sine inverse, I think. I think it's sine inverse. Sine inverse 0 is 0. Sine inverse of 1 is pi over 2. Oh man, is it 3 pi? That would be nice. Ah, I'm close. It is 2 pi. Maybe it's not sine inverse, or maybe I've missed something somewhere. Sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1 is, yeah, it's pi over 2. Pi over 2 times 2 pi is pi. Let me check my calculation numerically. Am I got my limits right? 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 2 is 0. Yeah, okay. 1 plus root 1 minus alpha x squared. One plus x squared. In brackets. Let me just check here. Hang on. Oh yeah, let me check here actually. 1 plus square root 1 minus y squared. Yeah, 0 to 1. 16. Why am I so off? 1 plus. That's 0 to 1. Okay, well, let me just. What happens if. Ah! Yeah, no, that's right. 2, 1. Okay, let me just see if I change this to minus, what happens. No. Weird. What? Why is that so different? 1. Hmm. I'm close to the answer at the back, but I'm confused why this isn't correctly giving it to me. Yeah. No, that's. Oh, pi plus 2. 2 pi 1. Oh, is there an issue now with the positive, negative? Uh, uh, 2 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi. 2 pi plus pi, 3 pi, but even that's not quite it. Now this one's confusing me. I feel really close. X1, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, that's 1. And then 2. 4 minus 4, 0. Yeah. Y squared, 2x minus x squared minus 2x plus y squared minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. 2's cancel out. 1 plus or minus root 1 minus y squared. 2 pi root 1 plus that. Then that cancels down to maybe I'm doing something silly at the end here with my subbing out. That would be 2 pi y plus, and that is sine inverse, isn't it? Let me double check that actually. Maybe it's cos inverse or something. Yeah, no, it's sine inverse. So if I put in 1, that's 1 plus pi over 2. Oh, yeah, I think I see where I went wrong now. And then if I put in 0, that's 0. Um, hmm. Pi over 2 and then 0. Yeah, it's not quite that either. They have pi. If I multiply the 2 in, that's pi 2 plus pi. Yeah. Yeah, pi times 2 plus pi. So that matches that answer. The base of a circular line is constructed by revolving this shape. Okay. Let me graph this. Square root 2x minus x squared. So, yeah, if you rotate this around the y-axis, it would make this shape. Although, it has this hole cut out. Oh, yeah, because we're only going from 1 to 2, so it's just this region here. So if I was to type in x equals 1 plus square root 1 minus y squared, and then graph that, yeah, no, that's the right side. And then from 0 to 1. Yeah, okay, so I think it's this. That's the answer I got. That's the answer the software got. And then if I look at 207, it's not quite 2 pi. So maybe I'll open a ticket.